Hello and welcome to this episode of Proactive's Just the Facts. I'm your host, Tyler Tully. Orthocell has submitted its US FDA 510K application to gain regulatory clearance for commercial distribution of Rempla, its nerve repair product in the US. The application seeks to grant Orthocell access into the $1.6 billion nerve repair market, representing a significant opportunity for the company's future growth. Clearance is anticipated by late March or early April next year, following the FDA's 90-day review process. This submission follows a successful regulatory study demonstrating Rempla's safety and efficacy, with outcomes comparable to an FDA-cleared device. Rempla is already marketed in Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore, where it's seen growing adoption among surgeons. This month, Orthocell announced its distribution partner in Singapore, Device Technologies Asia, had made the first sale of Rempla, a mere 2 months from being granted market access. The product is a biocompatible resorbable collagen membrane designed to support peripheral nerve regeneration, offering improved handling characteristics for complex surgeries. Orthocell has strengthened its expected US launch preparations with new sales and medical affairs leadership, collaborations with key opinion leaders, and distribution discussions. The company holds approximately $33 million in cash as of November this year, supporting its entry into the US and other markets, including Canada, the UK, Europe, and the ASEAN. The company says it's thrilled to submit the US 510K regulatory application following successful pre-submission meetings with the FDA and completion of its pivotal regulatory study. Orthocell believes Rempla is redefining the nerve repair market and leading the way in successful nerve repair surgery. With a strong balance sheet and US sales and medical affairs team leads in place, the company is now focused on preparing for launch and to commence selling Rempla in the largest healthcare market in the world. Thanks for watching. These are just the facts.